On question number 14, I want to express both sides using the same base. So I'm not going to change the left-hand side, but I need to express 1 over 49 as 7 raised to some power. Now, if it were just a regular 49, this would just be 7 raised to the 2. But because it's a 49 on a denominator, it needs to be a negative 2. So 7 raised to the negative 2 means the same thing as 1 over 49. But for this problem, it's better to express it like this, because now our bases match, and we can just set our exponents equal to each other. And then I want to solve, so I want to subtract 1 and then divide both sides by negative 4, and then x is equal to 3 over 4. On number 15, I'm trying to get the same base, and another way of writing the square root of 13 is 13 to the 1/2 power. So now I can set my two exponents equal to each other, and that will be my answer.